With outstanding towing power, the T130 can completely pull trucks like the Camas uphill with ease. With a length of 5.2 meters, a height of 3 meters and a capacity of 130 horsepower, the Bulldozer T130 is truly a great bulldozer. This tracked-armored icebreaker inspired by the Mount Pound is quite powerful. The pieces of ice that the armored vehicle collided with broke into many small pieces. Mount_Pound shows his unstoppable strength. It moves forward and then back to break more pieces of ice, creating space on both sides so it can move easily. This tractor truck with trailer is too powerful. It both transports an excavator and pulls a log truck behind it. When climbing almost to the end of the slope, 13 Stroy 3 LLC. Using two tractors requires a steel wire with precise tension. One needs to sink at 1.2 meters. The tractor truck was a bit tired. The excavator sits on a trailer and immediately supports it with its bucket. The excavator bucket sticks to the ground to help the tractor truck have more momentum to pull everything over the slope. These are pictures of the fiber optic cable installation method performed by the company PMK 300 meters deep, but it seems that was not met. Furthermore, submerging the cable without a line protection tube like this will over time cause the cap to rise and be damaged. As a four-wheel drive heavy-duty tractor with a traction force of 50 kN, the K701 was trying to maneuver to free itself. It seems like the snow is quite thick, so K701 cannot break out of here right away. It needs quite a bit of time. A K701 tractor was stuck in the middle of a vast expanse of deep snow on a winter road. The road surface was frozen and this Camas was stuck in the ice. A bulldozer was ready for rescue work. The bulldozer followed the instructions of the instructor below and tried to pull, but the Kamaz tanker could not move at all. Right now, we can no longer see anything except a bit of the truck's trunk and part of the cabin. When the excavator scooped the mud off the road, what appeared before our eyes was a multi-purpose tracked armored vehicle. It sunk too deep in the mud. When the excavator scooped the mud off the road, what appeared before our eyes was a multi-purpose tracked armored vehicle. Dubbed the terrain conqueror, the Ural truck is strong on difficult terrain such as ice, snow, swamps or deserts.
Вот такая вот жопа.
Shipments will not be interrupted in all weather conditions because Ural truck delivery people are always reputable. And on the winter roads of northern Russia, too, there is always the silhouette of a hard-working Ural truck. This is a picture of the Kirovets K700 and K744 tractors traveling on the snowy road to do snow removal work.